Cuando ella sigue mintiéndole a Río, como si los términos fueran inamovibles. Cuando
means when or while. Pronounced
cuando
with a soft
de
sound. It introduces a temporal clause, indicating the time frame of the action described in the main clause. It's a conjunction used to express time.
ella
Means she. Pronounced
ella.
a simple pronoun referring to a female person. It's a subject pronoun, replacing a previously mentioned or understood female noun.
Sigue
Means continues or keeps on. Pronounced
sigue.
the
Ge
is soft as in gem. It's a verb in the third person singular present indicative tense, indicating an ongoing action performed by
ella. Mintiéndole.
Means lying to him, her.
Pronoun said.
Meen-tee-en-doh-leh.
De
Le
is an indirect object pronoun indicating the receiver of the lie. It's the gerund form of the verb
mentir.
to lie, indicating the ongoing nature of the action. De
Endo. Ending indicates a continuing action.
a
preposition meaning to. Pronounced
a
like the in father. It shows direction or recipient of the action.
mintiéndole. Río.
Means Rio, a proper noun. Pronounced
Río.
this is the name of a person. The context determines the gender. Likely masculine based on typical Spanish naming conventions.
Como
Means as if or like. Pronounced
kwahn-doh.
it introduces a comparison, describing the way the action is performed. It indicates our simul or hypothetical situation.
Sí.
Means if. Pronounced
Sí.
a simple conjunction introducing a hypothetical or conditional clause.
Los.
Means the masculine plural. Pronounced
Los.
a definite article specifying that the following noun is plural and masculine.
Términos.
Means terms or conditions. Pronounced
Términos.
with a stress on the second syllable. It refers to conditions, agreements, or stipulations.
Fueran.
Means were, subjunctive mood, third person plural. Pronounced
fueran.
it is a verb from
Ser.
to be, in the imperfect subjunctive, expressing a hypothetical or uncertain condition, dependent on
Sí.
if.
Inamovibles.
Means unmovable or immutable. Pronounced
inamovibles.
with a stress on the third syllable. It's an adjective describing the
Terms.
indicating they are fixed or unchanging. Putting it together.
Cuando ella sigue mintiéndole a Río, como si los términos fueran inamovibles.
Means when she keeps lying to Rio, as if the terms were unchangeable, or while she continues to lie to Rio, as if the terms were immutable. It describes a situation where a person, eh-yah, persistently lies to another, Rio, acting as though the underlying conditions or agreements are absolutely inflexible.